medium-term prospects for fixed income is high because you're not going to have a big equity rally without capital price coming down. You know that capital price has to come down for the investment cycle that you talked about. So I think that's why it's fixed income is a more medium-term prospect, whereas once fixed income plays out, you have a massive equity prospect. That's the way I see it at this point.
Yeah, so I think most of the current macro problems have their genesis in 2008-9 because of the Lehman crisis, and also it coincided with the election year 2008-9. So we doled out a lot of cash, so 6 pay commission, NREGA, loan waiver, increase in MSP, Bharat Nirman and all. Nothing wrong with that, but we didn't focus at all on the building the supply side. So if you created demand, you didn't build the supply side, and obviously you had to import more. So we had current account deficit. That's why we had a weaker currency. We had higher inflation. We made ourselves very uncompetitive here. The whole labor market got distorted, as you mentioned. And then we made ourselves extremely uncompetitive. But of course, macro has its own self-correcting mechanism. Now that because we have the threat of S&P downgrading us and we don't have much maneuverability, of course, the fiscal consolidation has started. And I think that's where several other problems will get started. They will get solved again. And the help is coming in the form of lower commodity prices globally. So obviously, in terms of rupee, the prices will not go down. So the impact on inflation may be limited. But the actual dollars we are paying to buy energy, to buy rubber, to buy palm oil, to buy all kinds of industrial metals, petrochemicals, everything, coffee, cocoa, grains, everything where you are paying lesser today, sugar. So it's going to be a huge help to the economy. So maybe we were not determined, but somehow the destiny is kind of helping us. And of course, the fiscal consolidation has started. So hopefully, most of these macro problems should get solved. I think the problems that we are looking today, fiscal deficit, higher inflation, higher current account, to me, they are all kind of yesterday's issues. The future looks relatively more brighter.
All right. On that note, we'll have to call it. Thank you. Thank you all for joining us today. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Gentlemen, be there on the stage. Friends, these are the think tank of our industry, and they are the people we all need to assimilate whatever they have shared with us and take it and then share it with our clients. We have understood that we have to live with volatility. Markets are cheap. We need to push growth, and we need to collect high. Actually, the cycle is slow, but still, this crisis are opportunities for all of us. Friends, we all depend on FIIs, and once FIIs come with 5,000 crore, they will go away with 6,000 crore, and not a single Indian is making money out of it. But I think we all should be dependent on these people who are there sitting on the dais, because these are the people, they need force, they require us. So I think we need to support them and get a lot of money for them so that they all can manage. Can we all do that? Say yes. Thank you, gentlemen. I'll request Hemant to please come and give a thank you token to Mr. Naren. Thank you. Can we have a round of applause? I'll request Anirudh to thank Mr. Navneet. Thank you very much. And finally, Atul will thank Mr. Anup. Thank you very much. Thank you, Harsha, for maintaining the energy. Thank you very much. Friends, we'll have a lunch break now, and we will all meet sharp at 2 o'clock. Use this time to network with each other. Only you have been networking with the people sitting in your table. Now move out, shake hands, introduce yourself, share your cards, and do the networking.